It was claimed that the famous actress Hand Ogandimer was with Yajis Kunkanyali, whom she met on the set of the movie A Better Tomorrow. Dog Andimer responded to the claim of love for the first time. It was claimed that Hand Ogandimer, who took part in projects such as Waiting for the Sun, Love of My Life and Everything is Love, set sail for a new relationship. It was claimed that Ogandimer had been in love with Yajis Kunkanyali for 4 months on the set of the movie A Better Tomorrow. Dog Andimer, who participated in the Turkey premiere of the play Brides in the Bath staged by Ertuğrul Başakşıoğlu, responded to the claim of love. The famous actress said, "You said it. We didn't say we were in love. Which one shall we deny? You'll see if it does. We are very good friends with Yajis, we love each other very much. You can also see us side by side. But if there is someone in my life, you will see me by my side." Use the phrases